Okay, so after using this phone for 24 hours, I think I can honestly say it lives up to my expectations.
Check this.
If you're after a decent but not top end performance, then that's what the iPhone SE 2020 will offer you. There's a good camera, enough power, and good looks that don't look dated. Buy this and you're buying an iPhone 11 just with a smaller display, although I do admit the battery life could be better. This time around I feel Apple has really listened to us. They gave us the home button back, as well as the knocking the price down, so it's now budget friendly. But I do wish it included a headphone jack, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon because of the launch of the AirPods and whatnot. For me, this phone is perfect. I don't have large hands, so holding the phone is perfect for me. On top of that, like operating the camera and the video functions is quite easy now, whereas if you've got a bigger phone it's harder to control. I'm pretty sure most people or some people agree. If you have large hands, it's going to be really difficult to use because you just keep pressing the wrong buttons and it's too small, just too small. I've really enjoyed using this phone and hopefully I will do for the years to come. I would highly recommend this phone to anyone who's looking for a smaller form factor phone with good performance and high quality camera. Yes, there are many Android phones out there that are better in price, better in value. The only problem is they don't run iOS, so if you enjoy the experience of using iOS and a small form factor phone, then this is the phone for you.
Check this.